You've probably seen filament 3D printing by now. It's what most people picture when they think of 3D printing. Plastic filament gets melted and pushed through a nozzle, building objects layer by layer. Machines like the Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon make this process super accessible and affordable. But here's the thing, there's a limit to how detailed these prints can get. Even with the smallest nozzles, some objects just need more precision. That's where resin 3D printing comes in, and let me tell you, it's a complete game changer. Before we dive deeper, if you're enjoying this look at cutting-edge 3D printing tech, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep making content like this. Now back to resin printing, this technology takes detail to another level entirely. Instead of melting plastic, these printers use liquid resin that hardens when exposed to UV light. The results are so precise they look like they came from a factory mold. I recently got my hands on a Formlabs Form 4 and the quality is mind-blowing. We're talking about prints with details as fine as 0.05 millimeters. That's about the thickness of a sheet of paper. What's crazy is how fast it works too. Unlike filament printers that have to slowly trace each layer, resin printers cure entire layers at once. Print one object or 10, it takes roughly the same amount of time. When I upgraded to the massive Form 4L, I could fit 15 mouse shells on the build plate at once. Setting up these printers is surprisingly simple. You just insert the resin tank, clip on the build platform, and load the resin cartridge. The software does most of the heavy lifting too, auto-generating supports with just one click. The speed is where it really shines though. Printing 100 small parts takes just 2.5 hours on the 4L compared to multiple days on a filament printer. The resin system is brilliantly designed. 2 cartridges automatically dispense just the right amount, keeping everything clean and mess-free. There is one extra step with resin printing though, post-processing. After printing, you need to wash the parts in solvent and cure them under UV light. But Formlabs has made this process painless with their automated wash and cure stations. Just load your prints, press a button, and come back when they're done. The end results are worth it, parts that look and feel like professional manufactured products. I've been using this system to produce my Zero Mouse design, and the quality is incredible. Printed in Formlabs black resin at 50 micron layers, the parts are smooth and precise. I can push it even further to 25 microns for even finer detail when needed. With the 4L's large build volume, I can produce dozens of high-quality parts every day, something that would be impossible with traditional filament printing. Looking back at my first 3D printer, a finicky machine that required constant tweaking, it's amazing how far the technology has come. These professional-grade resin printers do come at a premium price, with the Form 4 starting around $5,500 and the 4L at $20,000. But for the speed, quality, and reliability they offer, they're worth every penny if you're serious about 3D printing. If you found this look at high-end 3D printing interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Let me know in the comments what you'd print if you had access to a printer like this. I'm always looking for new project ideas.